In this video, we are going to go over how to build a robust FAQ library in your ChatHQ Engagement Widget. So over here on the right-hand side, you can see a ChatHQ FAQ that I have built out. And when you click on this, select a category, you will see 4 different categories that I have built out with questions and answers, including general questions, features and functionality, pricings and plans, as well as support and assistance. So when you click on one of those options, you are going to be able to see those questions in your FAQ here. And then when you click on one of these options, you will see the answer for that FAQ question. And then going back over here, you can select a different category. You'll see this refresh and you'll be able to see your other questions. So to build all of this out, I'm going to go back over to my conversion tools. You're going to click on Add Tool, and then you're going to select Knowledge Library. So we're going to go ahead and click on Add, and this is going to show your new conversion tool here on the bottom. So we have Knowledge Library 3. I already have 2 built out. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this to open it up. And then here we can type in the title of the knowledge library. So I'm going to go ahead and do ChatHQ FAQ. And this is what is going to show in your main view here. So if you scroll down, you will see this update here. And then the panel title is going to be the title that shows when the tool is selected. So I'm going to use the same thing, ChatHQ FAQ. And then when I go into the tool view over here, you're going to see that this here updates. Now with the questions and answers, you have 2 options. You can do a built-in or external. So the built-in is where we can build out that FAQ section as I showed you. And then the external here, you have the option to enter a URL for an external knowledge base. So for this video, we are going to go over the built-in FAQ section. So to add different FAQ sections, we're going to start by clicking on Add FAQ Section. You are going to see this pop up here, and this is where you can type in the name of your FAQ section. So here I'm going to go ahead and put in general questions as my new FAQ section, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. Now with my example previously, I had 4 different sections that I built out. So you can build these either by adding all of your sections first or building your FAQ section and then adding items one by one. So I'm going to go ahead and add all 4 of my sections, and then we'll go into adding the FAQ items. So to add another FAQ section, again, you're just going to click on Add FAQ Section here and type in the name of your section. And you'll see that appear. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more of these really quick. All right, now that I have all of my FAQ sections entered, I want to go ahead and add my FAQ items, which are my questions and answers for each of these sections. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add FAQ Item. You're going to see this pop up here. And then on this top part up here, the section drop down, if you click on this, you will see the sections that you have created. So make sure that you are selecting the correct one for your section. And then you're going to go ahead and type in your question in this field here. And then go ahead and type in your answer for your question. And then when you're putting in your answer, you have a variety of different text options here. So here we have heading styles that you can use, as well as bulleted lists, numbered lists, quotes, and code blocks. You can bold, italicize, underline, strike through. You can also insert codes. You can insert links, and then you can align your text either left align, center, right, or justify. And then we also have options here where you can insert horizontal rules, YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, as well as Loom videos. And then we also have action items here where you can clear your formatting or clear your editor quickly as well. So once you have your section selected, your question, and your answer, go ahead and click on Save. And you're going to see that appear over here on the right. And then when you open up your section, you're going to see your FAQ items. So if we open up all of these, you can see that I do not have any FAQ items in these sections. So you can continue to add. So let's go ahead and add one in the pricings and plans as another example. So again, make sure you're clicking on the correct section, and then we're going to go ahead and put in the question and answer here. All right, and then once you have your question and answer, once again, go ahead and click on save. So when you are building these out, say you accidentally put it in the wrong section, you can click on these dots here and you can drag your FAQ items and you can drop them into different sections. So you can rearrange your FAQ items. You also can rearrange your FAQ sections by dragging and dropping. So if you click on here and just drag and drop, you can rearrange the order of your FAQ sections. Now going down here on the bottom, we have tool visibility options. So when you click here, you can show your tool always, during working hours only. So these are set up in your settings, or after hours only. So after hours are not your working hours. And then here you have the option to use a default icon. The upload custom icon is coming soon. So when you click on this drop down here, you have a variety of different navigation icons that you can use. So you can scroll through here, decide which one that you want to use. So let's say I want to use a question mark since it's in FAQ. I'm going to go and scroll all the way down here to question. We have question and question circle. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You'll see that appear here. And then when you go into main view and we scroll down here, you can see the icon will appear on that section. So when you have this built out and as you're building this, make sure you're clicking on apply changes. This will save your widget so you're not losing any of the work that you are doing. So that is about it for the FAQ section. You can build this out as much as you want for your clients and your website visitors. And that's it. Thanks.